morning, all. I am Vishwan. I'm Nikki. Today we are going to tell some things about variables. Multiple by 99. Example: 47 into 99. Division 4,653. The trick is, first of all, subtract 47 minus 1. We get 46. Write 46 as it is. And subtract 99 from 46. We get 53. Right beside 46, 53. The solution is 4,653.
Example: 20, 40 square. Solution: 1,764.
We get the solution as, first multiply three numbers, 4 into 2, 4 into 2. We get 16. And add 16 plus 1. We get 17. Write 17 as it is. And multiply 4 into 2. We get 8. Multiply 8 square. We get 64. The solution is 1,764.